What's up guys, this is Masi. I'm here with another video, and in this video I want to show you how to do integration for 1 over x squared minus 3x plus 2 dx. So first of all, I need to factor this quadratic function. The denominator is quadratic function. I want to change it into the factored form. How do I change it? So I will say x squared minus 3x plus 2 will be equal to 0, and I can use quadratic formula. A will be 1, b will be negative 3, and c will be positive 2. So I will have negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So it will be negative b will be positive 3 plus minus b squared, which is 9, negative 4a c divided by 2a, which is going to be 2. So it will be 3 plus minus 9 minus 8, which will be 1. So it will be 3 plus minus 1 divided by 2. So I will have 2 and 1. So instead of that, I can write 1 over x minus 2 and x minus 1. If I want to separate them, I can say a divided by x minus 2 plus b divided by x minus 1. So in order to solve this, I multiply both sides by x minus 2 times x minus 1. So I will have 1 equals to a times x minus 1 plus b times x minus 2. So I will have a plus bx. Then I will have negative a, negative 2b. My pen died. Okay, I had to change my pen. So where are we here? So I have negative a, negative 2b. That will be equal to 1. So it means that a plus b will be equal to 0. And negative a, negative 2b will be equal to positive 1. So instead of a, I can write negative b from here. So I can write plus b minus 2b will be equal to positive 1. So negative b will be equal to positive 1. So b will be negative 1 and a will be positive 1. So it will be integration of 1 over x minus 2 dx minus 1 over x minus 1 dx. And that will be ln x minus 2 minus ln x minus 1 c. That will be the final answer for this question. If you have any question, please don't forget to leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel.